Hi everyone, my name is Vinesh Karia, the Learning Management System Consultant. In this video, I will show you how to move a student from one batch or one subject to another subject. For that, you have to go to the site administration. Under that, you can see users, click on that one and browse a list of users. You need to find out the student who needs to be moved from one course to the other one. I'm just reporting Alvin Joseph. Basically, we need to move Alvin Joseph from 10C to 10B. So first thing what you have to do is just click on edit the settings. The user everything is there. First of all, we need to rename uh, 10C as 10B because later we need to identify this student. That's why. Come down and update the profile. Next thing what you have to do is click on site administration again, go back to users and click on cohorts because we added all the students in each cohorts. So 10C was a student before, 10C was a student before, and we are just opening it up. So it's a assign. After clicking on assign, you will come to this page, search for Alvin. So 10B Alvin is already there. Click on here and we are removing from him, from this particular cohort, and click back to cohorts. We removed Alvin from 10C, but at the same time we need to add Alvin to 10B. So click on that one. Again, click on assign and search for 10B because we already created Alvin with 10B. So Alvin Joseph 10B is here and we are adding him to 10B cohort and back to cohort. Once it is done, you need to remove Alvin from all the courses which he was enrolled before. So I am just searching for the courses. 10B should be fine. I'm just going back. I'm just searching for the 10C where Alvin was belongs before. So biology I'm taking participants. So enrolled participants users you can see from here. We just type Alvin here so that you can find out Alvin and press enter. So Alvin came here. So just delete unenrolled. So he will be unenrolled. And the same way you have to unenroll Alvin from all the subjects in 10C. Once you unenroll Alvin from all the subjects, click on home. Again, we need Alvin to be enrolled in 10B. So I am just putting 10B and go. So again, biology I am taking. So basically we need to enroll Alvin to this particular 10B session batch. So I'm just asking for Alvin, or even 10B is fine because Alvin is there already. 10B, Alvin Joseph, you can select it and as enroll as student, it's already there, and enroll selected users. Same way you need to enroll Mr. Alvin to all the respective courses. The second case is you need to delete from 4B. So we are just copying Krishik and coming back. For that, simply go home and site administration and just users. Under users, you can browse for a list of users. Always keep in mind that okay, maybe before we search for Alvin, so that search is already there. So you need to remove all filters first. You need to identify the student to be removed and click on delete against their name and just confirm delete. See here, you can see that okay, suppose this student is being removed, all his enrollment activity and other user data will be removed automatically. So just simply delete the student from the list itself. Thank you.